What happens during an HVAC tune-up? A tune-up is when a technician inspects, cleans, and adjusts your heating and cooling system so it runs safely and efficiently, usually covering the furnace, air conditioner, thermostat, and all the parts that keep air moving through your home. Think of your HVAC system like a bike that needs oil and air in the tires to run smoothly. During a tune-up, the technician checks the air filter and replaces it if it is dirty, since a clogged filter makes the whole system work way harder than it should. They also clean the condenser coils outside, which is something most homeowners never think about, because dirty coils can raise your energy bill by a surprising amount without you even noticing. The technician checks refrigerant levels, tightens electrical connections, and tests the thermostat to make sure it is talking to the system correctly. They also lubricate moving parts and check the blower motor, since a struggling motor is one of the top reasons systems break down early. One lesser-known fact is that many technicians also check your condensate drain line, because a clogged drain line can cause water damage inside your home without any warning signs. One common mistake is waiting until something breaks before scheduling a tune-up. When doing it twice a year, once in spring and once in fall, can prevent most breakdowns before they happen. Another misconception is thinking a tune-up is just a quick filter change, when it actually involves electrical, mechanical, and safety checks that protect your family from things like carbon monoxide leaks. A lot of people also forget to ask for a written summary of what was checked, so always request one to make sure nothing was skipped. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. You can also download our app called JobbyTier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out and message you back with their estimates.